We woke up in the most beautiful spot this morning. It was really raining last night. Like, it was coming down on the ambulance. It was so crazy, so loud, but like really beautiful at the same time. I couldn't like tell. I woke up at like 4 a.m. and I couldn't tell if I was loving it or hating it, but I think I was loving it, maybe hating it a little bit. But anyways, now it's just like slightly drizzling, but I think it's because we're in the forest. And maybe once we go into town, it won't be as rainy. But wow, it is beautiful here. We are all on our own. And yeah, feeling very, very lucky this morning. It's stunning here.
Hike because we need to get some exercise, and we also need to get some potable water because we haven't had potable water in a little while. So yeah,
we're almost there.
Yeah,
We're
and
not completely out, but
I think maybe do some editing. Yeah, bit of editing, hike, water, editing. As I said, we were going on a hike this morning. Oh, we filled up water, so we did that first. So we've got our shower bag on the dash. Hopefully that it's not sunny at all. So hopefully that heats up. Otherwise, we're gonna have some kind of cold showers tonight. But yeah, so we're gonna go to Soames Hill Park hike, I guess. And I looked it up, and it took us right to the entrance of the hike. But it's not the entrance apparently.
Well, there's no parking. It was an entrance.
Yeah, sorry,
yeah, it was definitely a trailhead.
It is a trailhead, yes, but there's just no parking like anywhere. So I looked up parking, and now it's telling us to go like 1.5 kilometers back where we came from, because I guess there's parking in another park. Anyways, we're gonna go figure this out.
But now it's saying it doesn't open till 1, and it's not 1.
Also, yeah, it says that it doesn't open till 1 p.m. Hopefully it's just a weird Google mistake or something. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah. Hopefully we can do a hike this morning.
Also, like, we're doing this hike that's supposed to have this beautiful view at the top, and there is no visibility today. It's very, very foggy. Smoggy? Foggy. So yeah, this will be very interesting. Very, very interesting, but hey.
Maybe we'll get up above the fog. That'd be kind of cool.
Yeah, so when I went on a hike, I did Dog Mountain in Vancouver last week, and that did happen. There was no visibility, but we got to the top and there was visibility, so.
It looks like, from like the pictures that I've seen, it looks like there's like a really pretty view of the ocean and islands and stuff, so even if we're not quite above the fog, maybe we can get the drone up above it. I mean, I guess you won't see anything, you'll just see fog below. We'll see, we'll figure this out. Whatever,
we need a workout. We need to get outside, even though we've been outside. We need to do something. We're trying to do this. And hopefully we can figure it out, because I'm just very confused.
Here's some parking up here, it looks like.
Okay. Yeah, this is parking for sure.
Sweet. This will be
Not this spot though, that's handicap.
No, what?
That says handicap.
Right there, right?
Yeah.
But not where we're parking.
Okay. We didn't see anything. The visibility is so bad. It's very, very foggy today. But yeah, this is a very nice little trail. Like, it just is so nice. It's like exactly what we think of when we think of BC.
Yeah.
Kind of like wet, moody, damp, but so pretty. Huge trees.
Foggy.
Yeah.
Big, massive trees.
Yeah. It's like we're in the movie Twilight. They filmed it in BC. Yeah, it's so pretty.
We're in Roberts Creek, and we're going to the end of this pier to spend some time by the ocean. I typically come out to Pender Harbor. I try to come out to Pender Harbor every year for a skateboard race called Danger Bay.
We missed the past 2 years.
Well, yeah, that's why I said I try to. We missed the past couple of years because we've been traveling, but this year, because of the circumstances, the race has been postponed until now, until the end of October. So right now it's the middle of October. We decided to come out a little early, explore the harbor, spend some time in the Sunshine Coast, and yeah, so we're gonna go to the ocean and spend some time there now.
Is it fine?
Yeah. The exhaust pipe is still attached. It is.
Great. Doing well. So we're basically trying to find this spot, which apparently you can camp overnight at, but it's down this very bumpy, steep road, and we're not exactly sure if we're gonna be able to make it up, but we figured that we'd try anyway, because why not? Can you hear that? That's the shower bag going like swishing around, swashing, swishing. So yeah, this is a very, very rocky road to say the least, but hopefully we can make it out. Who knows? You never know.
All good. Tree branch. That's not lots of clearance like they said it was.
No, honey, that's not. That's gonna scrape right across our solar panels. Okay, it's on our thing.
I'll have to get you to drive. And I'll just push that branch up. Okay, so this isn't the right way, obviously. Oh, there's somebody coming down.
Yeah, well, we should turn around because we're not making it over that bump.
No. Window sound.
That window sound. Yeah. And now Nick is trying to like hold the tree branch.
Transmission really doesn't like this.
Okay. Well,
Yeah, that sounds good.
all right. So that was definitely our first experience not being able to make it up to a camping spot. To be fair, it did say 4x4s only. Gotta live that part out. And yeah, we did not make it. There was no way that we were getting over that bump.
Yeah.
And it was a bit traumatizing, I must say. A little bit traumatized, but that's okay. I think that we're just getting hungry. It looks like it's so dark in this footage right now, but it's not. It's like 6:30, and yeah, the sun just set, went down all the way. And yeah, we're just getting hungry for dinner. So we're gonna try to find a spot that's not that spot and get some food in us because, oh, that worked up an appetite for sure. Oh, that's so bright. Okay, yeah, we found a spot. After all of that, I think I need a glass of wine and it's time to make dinner. Our spot isn't as spectacular as last night, but it's in the forest and we are away from everything and we're no longer on a very stressful road. So it's time to make dinner, maybe have some wine, and
definitely have some wine.
Definitely have some wine.
100% have some wine.
And eat.
Crazy?
And eat food.
Oh yeah, and food.
So because we didn't have our sunset view that we thought we were gonna get last night, we thought that we'd go catch the sunset this morning. And because we are too lazy to make coffee or breakfast this morning, we went to Tim Hortons and got coffee and bagels, but we got them both plain because we like our stuff to put on them anyway. Like we have our own cream cheese and stuff to put on it. So we're gonna make those and drive to a beautiful spot and hopefully catch the sunrise. I meant sunrise the whole time. This whole time I meant sunrise. I think I was saying sunset. So yeah, let's eat, get caffeinated, and try to capture the beauty of this world this morning. But it looks pretty foggy, hey babe?
Yeah.
Yeah, it might be pretty foggy. I'm not sure if we're gonna see much, but we will try. Walking and we saw like a group of, how many do you think that is?
I see at least 3.
There's like 3 or 4 seals in the water. I wish I could capture them, but they're like very camouflaged. There's no way.
You'd be able to tell. On the camera at least. We're even having a hard time seeing them with our eyes.
Wow, it's so cool. They keep like poking their heads out of the water. It's so pretty. We were just saying, it literally looks like, my hair is always so messed up. We were just saying that it looks like Bali.
Or the Philippines.
Yeah. Yeah, it definitely looks like the Philippines. But it also kind of looks like, it kind of reminds me of Ubud.
Yeah.
Like the colors?
Yeah.
So nice.
Fucking crazy.
Like, do people from the Sunshine Coast just go anywhere else and think it's the most boring thing ever? Because this place is crazy. It just looks so magical, so pretty. Feel like I'm on drugs.
Straight?
Says merge. We're just cooking up some food because we're getting very hungry. And man, is it pretty here. Here you go.
With any luck, tonight's camping spot will be easier to find than yesterday's camping spot. Hopefully. We'll see. We're almost there, apparently.
Oh my god, good morning. Just got dressed and Nick is about to get really mad at me for wearing all his clothes. He's cleaning the solar panels right now. So, yeah, that's what it is.
My long johns.
Look at this spot this morning. What a beautiful view to wake up to.
Today, I think we're gonna take the day off of filming. We have like 3 videos, I think, that need to be edited. So I think that we'll do some video editing today, maybe get some photos for Instagram, things like that. And yeah, I think that'll be our day today. So anyways.
Sounds like a plan, honey bunny.
Thanks for watching, you guys. It's been a pleasure showing the Sunshine Coast to you.
Yeah, I don't think that this is gonna be the last Sunshine Coast video.
No.
We're loving it here. It's so beautiful. And we're just trying to soak up the little bit of, I can't speak. We're just trying to get a little more heat in before we have a freezing cold winter here on the west coast of beautiful Canada in beautiful British Columbia. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.